Man, what the heck is this? Ow! Okay, fine. Time to say goodbye to the future children. Boom, 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 dun, dun, dun. You're gonna die. Boom, 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 boom. I came in like a wrecking ball. Holy moly, guacamole! Where did all these lines come from? Wow, what am I gonna watch out? Oh, mommy, my back hurts. Daisy, rolling. Hey, hey, oh, I think I just broke my spot. Brown, 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 but okay, the card stop rolling. Oh my god, so nauseous. I can't stop rolling, but you will die. Bow, bow, bow. Girl, can you go any faster? Cars literally right there. Oh my god, this hurts so much. Oh my god, mom. Damn, I just please stay. You're about to die. Why will these stupid brakes? Holy hell, what is happening out here, bro? Oh shoot, I can't escape. We gotta go to classic world. Oh my god, my head hurts. Oh my god, my eye. I'm so tired of breaking. Oh my god, I can't go anywhere. Oh my god, it burns in his car. Please let me out, let me out, let me out. Is there a dead body? Are you okay? Oh my, I can see you. Yeah, I'm alright. I just need some ibuprofen. My head hurts like hell. Bro, who the hell is yelling that loud? God, get me out of here! It burns like
Michael! Don't leave me here! Michael!
Hey girl, long time no see! What's up, baby girl? How you doing, baby? Oh my god, what just happened? Girl, are you okay?